Hello viewers, Muhammad Tayyar with you. Welcome to my channel Siva Testing. So guys, today I will explain you how to perform sieve analysis on fine and coarse aggregate as per ASTM C136. Guys, as I informed you before, each video will have two parts. First part is practical and second part is practical. So guys, don't miss the practical part as well. This is the same video as I explained you before. There are no different videos. Please keep in mind, there are no different videos in the same video, practical and practical. So please watch the full video. Okay? Thank you guys. Now we'll start our practical part first and then we'll see the practical. Okay? Viewers, our first part is the theoretical. Aggregate definitions. I think all the guys understand what is the aggregate. Anyway, this is the aggregate definition. Please read this carefully. So for this test, what apparatus we need? We need balances. For fine aggregate, readable to 0.1 gram and accurate to 0.1 gram or 0.1% of the test load. For coarse aggregate, we need readable and accurate to 0.5 gram or 0.1% of the test load. We need as well mechanical shaker, if possible. Mechanical shaker recommended when the size of the sample is 20 kg or greater. We need oven. We need that maintain a uniform temperature of 110 plus minus. We also need set of sieves. Sampling. Guys, sample the aggregate in the field in accordance with the ASTM D75. I will make a separate video for ASTM D75 that how we take the sample of aggregate in the field. Thoroughly mix the sample and reduce it to an amount suitable for testing using the applicable procedure described in ASTM C702. So I will make also a separate video for how to reduce the sample of aggregate to testing size as per ASTM C702. Guys, for the how much quantity we need for fine aggregate, we need around 300 gram of sample after drying, and coarse aggregate and mixture of fine and coarse aggregate, the size of the test sample of coarse aggregate shall conform with the following. So guys, this is the sample that we required as per nominal maximum size opening. So for example, if nominal maximum size is 9.5, we need 1 kg of sample. If 12.5 is the nominal maximum size, we need 2 kg, and similarly like 19.0, 25.0, how much quantity we require, this is written here. If we require the amount of material finer than 75 micron sieve, there is another method. This method is ASTM C117. I will explain this method also in a separate video, that what is the 117, how we calculate the material finer than 75 micron. So now what is the procedure? We will explain here. Fry the sample to constant mass at a temperature of 110 plus minus 5 degrees centigrade. Select sieves with a suitable opening to furnish the information required by the specification covering the material to be tested. Limit the quantity of material on a given sieve so that all particles have opportunity to reach sieve opening a number of times during the sieve operation. Continue sieving for a sufficient period and in such manner that after completion not more than 1 mass percent of the residue on any individual sieve will pass. That sieve during 1 minute of continuous hand sieving. In the case of coarse and fine aggregate mixture, the portion of the sample finer than 4.75 mm sieve may be distributed among two or more sets of sieve to prevent overloading of individual sieves. The mass of each size increment on a scale or balance conforming to requirements to the nearest 0.1% of the total original dry sample mass. Okay guys, now we'll start our second part. So viewers, welcome back. As I explained you in my video that there's two parts. In first part we'll explain in theoretical and second part is the practical. So we'll start now our practical part. Mr. Mudassir is with me and he is very qualified person. I asked him, I request him, please help me to make these videos, and he is very well experienced. He has the very well experience in the testing. So Mr. Mudassir, please can you give your introduction to my viewers?
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Tahir, and welcome to our channel. We are here for... Thank you, Mr. Tahir. Welcome to our channel. We are here to give you an outline and sketch for the procedure for the test material which we are going to use in the civil material testing field, and it will be very helpful. Please keep watching our videos.
So guys, we'll start our test. Now today our test is sieve analysis of fine and coarse aggregate as per ASTM C136. So Mr. Mudassir will explain you how we perform the test. Please. We already reduced the sample as per ASTM C702, and now we will place the sample inside oven for drying until constant mass achieved. Okay.
Start.
Okay guys, we're putting the sample in the oven to make a constant mass. Okay. Second step is select sieve with suitable opening to furnish the information required by the specification covering the material to be tested. Our sample is coarse aggregate and maximum nominal size is 19.0 mm or 3 by 4 inch. So we have to take minimum 5 kg of sample after drying. Okay guys, limit the quantity of material on a given sieve so that all the particles have opportunity to reach sieve opening a number of times during the sieving operation. देखो अच्छा. So viewers, we start our sieving by 3 by 4 inch, and from 3 by 4 inch the 100% its material is passed 100%. So our nominal maximum size is 3 by 4, and after that we start sieving on 1 by 2 inch. So here is our retained 3725.6. So this is our retained. Here is the weight that we take, and sieve that we use is here. I think say here, yes. So 1 by 2 inch. Okay. So our first sieve was 3 by 4 inch. So 3 by 4, from the 3 by 4 inch 100% passing. So our nominal maximum size is 3 by 4. Okay. So viewers, we complete our sieve. Okay, so we calculated the passing percentage. So viewers, we complete our sieves and we calculated the passing percentage. So see, formula already I show you, and this was our final weight after sieving. So this was okay guys, this is our final weight.